Hello, my dear friends. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the part 2 section of the topic Describe a program or app in your computer or phone. In this section, I'm going to read the cue card, means sample answer, only for recall our memory. Okay, just to reactivate our memory. And after that, I will read the mini story for you. And mini story is very important if you want to be a fluent speaker. And yes, definitely. Our next topic is describe a long car journey you went on. And I'm just about to finish that topic. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please you need to subscribe our channel. So you will never miss our next topic. Okay. Now here is our cue card. Well, I use quite a lot of apps on both my phone and laptop. But I guess that one of the app that I use the most is Google Now. It is basically a music app which allows you to search, organize and listen to any music you want. It is a great app because not only can search the exact music you want, but it also provides radio with a lot of variety. Many different sorts of music such as pop, hip hop, funk, rock, blues, soul, jazz, etc. I mean, you wouldn't ever get bored easily with so much music to listen to. And another great thing about it is you can create and then store your own playlist and then share them with your friends. So it has a social element too. You can actually see what your friends and other people are listening to, and it can be great way of discovering loads of new music. It is probably the app I use the most apart from regular documents app, because I tend to listen to a lot of music every day, so I tend to be in and out of the app continuously throughout the day. I first come across it on the internet a long time ago, but I think it was a review in a blog post I read and I decided to give it a try. I loved it immediately. I know there are other music apps, but Google Now seems to be popular and it has enough features and functionality for me and what I want to do with my music, so I haven't abandoned it in favor of an alternative yet. As for why I use it, well, I think I have already pretty much explained that. It's just so convenient and useful for managing all my music, and I particularly like the sharing feature. I also like the fact that it is updated regularly also. So even the radio includes all the latest releases from particular artists. So overall I think it is a great app. Okay. Now I'm going to read the mini story for you. While reading this mini story, you need to read this question and try to give the answer. And correct answer is not mandatory, means required. You just can do the or you just can speak the wrong answer because it's a kind of muscle exercise. Do I use one application on both my mobile phone or laptop? No, I don't use one application on both my mobile phone or laptop. Do I use many applications on both my mobile phone or laptop? Yes, I do. I use many applications on both my mobile phone and on laptop. How many applications I use on both my mobile phone or laptop? Many. I use many applications on both my mobile phone or laptop. Which app I use the most? Google Now. Google Now is the app which I use most. Am I using the Google Now the most? Yes, I am using the Google Now the most. Am I using the YouTube the most? No, I'm not using the YouTube the most. Okay, then which app I use the most? Google Now. Is it a WhatsApp app? No, it's not a WhatsApp app. Is it a Gmail app? No, it's not a Gmail app. Is it a Google Now app? Yes, it is a Google Now app. For which purpose do I use this app? I use this app to listen to music. Do I use this app for playing Ludo? No, No, I don't use this app for playing Ludo. Do I use this app to play Ludo? No, I don't use this app to play Ludo. Do I use this app for listening to the music? Yes, I do. I use this app for listening to the music. Who is listening to the music? Me. I am listening to the music. Is John listening to the music? No, I don't know who is John. I don't know anything about John. Am I listening to the music? Yes, I am listening to the music. Why do I listen? Why do I use this app to listen to the music? Does Google now allow me to search? Yes, it does. Google now allows me to search. Does Google now allow me to search movies? Yes. No, 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 no. It doesn't allow me to search movies. It allows me to search music only. But Google now is allowing me to search. It is allowing me to search music. Does Google now allow me to search music? Yes, it allows me to search music. Who search the music on Google now? Me, I. I search the music on Google now. Do I search the music on Google now? Yes, I do. I search the music on Google now. Is it a bad app? No, it's yes. No, 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 no. It's not a bad app. It's a great app. Is it a great app? Yes, it's a great app. What kind of app is it? It is a kind of great app. Can I search the exact music on it? Yes, I can search the exact music on it. Do I able to search the exact music on it? Yes, I do. I am able to search the exact music on it. Or I able to search the exact music on it. Who is able to search the exact music on it? I am. I am able to search the exact music on it. Where can I search the exact music? On Google now. On Google now, I am able to search the exact music. Does it provide radio with less variety? No, it doesn't provide radio with less variety. Does it provide radio with a lot of variety? Yes, it does. It provides radio with a lot of variety. Which type of radio variety is available on Google now? A lot of type of variety is available on Google now. How many sorts of music available on it? A lot of. I can say loads of music available on it. What is the meaning of different sorts? Different sorts means a lot of variety. Does it have many variety of music on it? Yes, it has. It has many variety of music on it. What does it have? It has many variety of music on it. Where is pop, hip hop, funk, rock, blues, soul, jazz type of music available? On Google now. On Google now, a lot of type of music available. Is it available on Google now? Yes, it is. It is available on Google now. Would I ever get bored on this app? No, I would never get bored on this app. Would I get bored on this app? No, I never get bored on this app. Who would never get bored on this app? Me. I would never get bored on this app. Would I ever get bored after listening to the music? No, I would never get bored after listening to the music. Do you create the playlist for your own? Yes, you can. You can create the playlist for your own. Who can create the playlist? Anyone who is using this app can create the playlist. Can you create the playlist? Yes, I can create the playlist. Can you create and store the playlist? Yes, I can create and store the playlist. Do you create and store the playlist? Yes, I can, or I do, or I create and store the playlist. Who can create and store the playlist? Anyone can create and store the playlist. Do you share the store playlist with your friends? Yes, I can, or I do share the, or I share the store playlist with my friends. Can you share the store playlist with your friends? Yes, I can share the store playlist with my friends. Who can share the store playlist with their friends? Anyone who is using this app can store the playlist and after that share that playlist with their friends. Am I able to share and store playlist with my friends? Yes, I am able to share the stored playlist with my friends. Who is able to share the stored playlist with their friends? Anyone, or I am, is able to share the stored playlist with my friends. What can we store and share the friends? Stored playlist. We can first of all we can store the playlist, and after that we can share that playlist with our friends. Is sharing the playlist a kind of social element? Yes, it's a kind of social element, because with the help of sharing we interact with our friends and other people. What is the social element? Sharing the playlist is a kind of social element. Does my app have social element? Yes, it does. My app has social element. Which kind of social element my app has? We can easily share our Play Store. Oh, sorry, we can easily share our playlist. Can we share the stored playlist through this app? Yes, we can share the stored playlist through this app. What do we call when we share the stored playlist with our friends? We called it social element. Which kind of element does my app have? A kind of social element. Can you see what your friends and other people are listening to? Yes, we can. We can see what my friends, or I can see what my friends and other people are listening to. Do you see what your friends and other people listening to? Yes, I can see. I can see what my friends and other people are listening to. What do you see? I can see what my friends and other people listening to. Do you see games? No, I don't see game. Do you see people? No, I don't see people. What can you see? I can see what my friends and other people are listening to. What is the new way to discover the loads of new music? We can easily visit people's profile and we can see what kind of music they are listening to, so we can discover the new music. Does your app has feature to discover the new music? Yes, my app has feature to discover the new music. Does your app turn on the light? No, my app doesn't turn on the light. Does your app shine in the night? No, my app doesn't shine in the light. What does your app have? My app has a feature to search exact music. Who can you discover the loads of new music? Who can you discover the loads of music? Yes, I can. I can discover the loads of music. Is it possible to find the new music on your app? Yes, it is possible to find the new music on my app. What is possible on your app? We can easily find and search the new music. Is it a great thing? Yes, it is a great thing. What is a great thing? We can easily find and search the new music through my app. Is finding a new music a great thing? Yes, it's a great thing. Finding a new music is a kind of great thing. Is finding a new music a bad thing? No, no, it's not a bad thing, it's a great thing. Why is a great thing? Because we can easily find the new music, that's why it's a great thing. Is it the app which probably use the most? Yes, it is the app which probably use the most. Is it the app which probably I use the less? No, it's not the app which I probably use the less. It is the app which probably I use the most. What do I use the most? This app. I probably use this app the most. Do I tend to listen to a lot of music every day? Yes, I do. I tend to listen to a lot of music every day. What is tend to listen to a lot of music every day? Who is tend to listen to a lot of music every day? I is tend to listen to a lot of music every day. Am I listening to a lot of music every day? Yes, I am listening to a lot of music every day. Who is tend to listening to a lot of music every day? I am tend to listening to a lot of music every day. why I am why am I listening to a lot of music every day? Because I'm tend to listening to a lot of music every day. Do I tend to be in and out of the app continuously throughout the day? Yes, I tend to be in and out of the app continuously throughout the day. Who is tend to be in and out of the app continuously throughout the day? I tend to be in and out of the app continuously throughout the day. Is John tend to be in and out of the app continuously throughout the day? I don't know, man. Even I don't know who is John. Am I tend to be in and out of the app continuously throughout the day? Yes, I am tending to be in and out the app continuously throughout the day. Who come across it on the internet? I come across it on the internet. Do I come across it on the internet? Yes, I am, or I come across it on the internet. How I come across it? On the internet. I come across it on the internet. Do I come across it recently? No, it's a long time ago. Do I come across it a long time ago? Yes, I come across it a long time ago. Who come across it long time ago? I come across it a long time ago. Is it John come across it a long time ago? No, it's not a John, it's me. Is it me who come across it a long time ago? Yes, it's me. Was it a review in a blog? Yes, it was a review in a blog. Do I think it was a review in a blog? Yes, I think it was a. Yes, I thought it was a. No, I think it was a review in a blog. What do I think? I think it was a review in a blog. Did I decide to give it a try? Yes, I decided to give it a try. What did I decide? I decided to give it a try. Who decided to give it a try? I decided to give it a try. Did John decide to give it a try? No, I don't know who is John. Maybe he did it, but I don't know anything about it. Did I decide to give it a try? Yes, I decided to give it a try. When I decided to give it a try, when I come across on the internet about this app, did I love it immediately? Yes, I loved it immediately. Did I hate it immediately? No, I didn't hate it immediately. Who loved it immediately? I loved it immediately. When I loved it immediately, when I saw it, so I loved it immediately. Did I love it after giving it a try? Yes, I love it after giving it a try. Do I know about other apps? Yes, I know many other apps. Do I know about other musical apps? Yes, I know about other musical apps. What do I know about other musical apps? They all are good. There are a lot of musical apps available. Do I know about it? Yes, I know about it. Like Spotify and Ghana.com. There are a lot of musical apps available. Does Google Now seems to be a popular app? Yes, Google Now seems to be a popular app. What does seem to be a popular app? Google Now. Google Now seems to be a popular app. Does Google Now is a less popular app? No, Google Now is not a less popular app. It's a very popular app. Does Google Now a very popular app? Yes, Google Now is a very popular app. Who has enough features and functionality? Google Now. Google Now has enough features and functionality. Does Google Now have enough features and functionality? Yes, Google Now has enough features and functionalities. Does Google Now have less features and functionality? Yes. No. Google Now doesn't have less features and functionality. It has enough features and functionalities. What does Google Now have? Google Now has tons of, I can say loads of features and functionalities. Have I abandoned it in favor of an alternative? Yes. No, I haven't abandoned it in favor of an alternative. Yes. Who have abandoned it in favor of alternative? Yes. I don't know who. Is there any one who abandoned it in the favor of alternative? I don't know. Have I explained all feature of this app? Yes, I have already explained all features of this app. Who have explained all features of this app? I have explained all features of this app. Have all features of this app been explained by me? Yes, all features of this app been explained by me. Is there any feature left? No, I don't think so. Is there any feature left? Are there all features covered? Yes, there are all features covered. Who have covered all features of this app? I have covered all features of this app. Is it updated regularly? Yes, it is updated regularly. What is updated regularly? Google Now. Google Now app is updated regularly. Does this app updated regularly? Yes, it does. This app updated regularly. Or this app updates regularly. When does this app get its updates? Regularly. This app gets its updates regularly. Does the radio include all the latest releases from popular artists? Yes, it does. Radio includes all the latest releases from popular artists. What does radio include? Radio includes all the latest releases from popular artists. Does radio include all the old releases from popular artists? No, not old, latest. Radio includes all the latest releases from popular artists. What do you think overall? Overall, I think it's a kind of great app. Do I think overall Google Now is a great app? Yes, definitely. Google Now is a great app. Is it a great app? Yes, it is a great app. Which one is a great app? Google Now. Google Now is a great app. Is Google Now a great app? Yes, definitely. Google Now is a great app. Okay, friends. Now with this, I am just about to finish our topic on describe a program or app in your computer or phone. So our next topic is describe a long car journey you went on. So if you don't want to miss our next episode on the same topic like our car journey, so please hit the like button and subscribe this channel so you can get the updates immediately. Okay friends, bye bye, take care.